Hello guys, welcome back to Revit 2016 video tutorials. In this video tutorial we'll learn how to place a wall in the modeling of a house in our project. So basically in the last video we discussed about how to place rectangular or square foundations, and before that we learned about piles. So in this video we'll go through the walls so that then afterwards we can move through strip foundation. So let me say we don't have these end piles, so I'll just delete them using the delete button. Okay, that looks good. So what we'll do is we'll have walls over the boundaries, and then we'll go through the pile foundations, and then we'll go at number 3 and number 5 this, and over here like this. So we'll simply what we'll do is we'll just select wall and we'll select structural wall. So coming over here we'll select let us have, let's say, generic 12-inch masonry wall, or you can have exterior 10-inch concrete wall. That sounds good. And over here you just select core center line so that it will start from the center, and we need base as basement going to the top constant, which is let's say ground level. So the wall will be from basement to the ground level. Okay, that sounds good. Select okay, top constraint, ground level, select apply. And over here you need to select height, and from here ground. Okay, now it looks good. You just basically need to select height instead of depth, because in depth it will go below the basement, but in height it will go above the basement, so that we would be able to select a top constraint, that is our ground level, which is at a 30 feet distance from basement. But if you select depth over here, you need to select below the basement, that will be some minus 40 or minus 50 feet below the basement. And let here you need to say core center line. You don't need any offset, since we'll be having the wall through exactly through the center of the grid, I mean through the center of these lines. So ours will be like a 10-inch concrete wall. Let me say, let us make it so 10-inch. How much is that? Hmm, let's make it 1 feet. So it involves a lot of messy things. So let it be 10-inch concrete. That's better, because if you need to change from 10 to 12 inches, you need to create a new, I mean you need to edit over here. So let's say 0, and over here 1 feet. Now select OK. So as you see, it's 1 feet, but that's unnecessary. I mean, you just select edit type and select duplicate, and let's say wall, select OK, And now you can just select 1 feet, select OK. Now select OK. So basically we'll just be having a wall. So what we'll do is we'll have from over here, I will do at each and every pile point. I'll select it each and every point. Here I go, here I go. Now I'll select escape, and coming over here, now select escape. So in this way you can have a wall from basement to the ground floor. But if you need a some circular, then you just select particular whichever you want. So let's see what we can select. We'll select this one, then we'll select the point and this point, not that point, not this point, not even that point. Select escape. Now that looks good. So we select the other point. So in this way you have a curved wall structure. And if you just select escape and go back, and if you view it in 3D, you can see the wall. So this is all wireframe mode. I mean, in this wireframe mode we can see the structure like this, but if you can change it over here. So this is wireframe mode. If you say hidden line, it's something like that. And if you have something shaded, as you can see that way, this looks a little bit good when compared to other views. You even have consistent colors and realistic. Then you have a ray trace, that's like a x-ray trace something. It kind of takes time to load that. So as you see, it is taking time to loading. So it's better we have like realistic. We don't need sun path. What we'll just do is we'll off the sun path. So in this way we can construct a structural wall. So probably in the next video I will have the wall all over the structure and wherever I required it. Okay, let me do it in this video. So it's easy. So this is the wall and I have it. Select escape. Again going on. Now that I have the wall over all the four sides, I can copy it into the middle. But before that, I'll just have curved walls. Let's say from here to here. That looks good. Select again the curved wall. You basically select the midpoint. Let's say this is the midpoint, because if you select over here and it is something different the other way, we don't need it that way. So this will be the midpoint, and this will be like radius, and here it goes. Again doing it this side. There it goes. Now select escape. Now that I have wall, I can just copy it wherever I want. So I'll just copy it. So let's me select the center position, and over here, then copy it again, center position to over here, then copy it again from center position to over here. Then coming to this wall, we'll have it over the piles. Select copy, there it goes. Once again copy, I'll just wherever we have voids, so as you see in this way, we can construct walls. So basically you would have learned how to model a wall into a buildings. So here is our 3D structure finally. We'll even have the walls inside, nothing to worry. That will be the that will be like non-structural walls, and we'll even have like a strip foundation probably in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.